In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email pop-up on Shopify. This feature can be a fantastic way to engage with visitors to your site, capture their email addresses, and potentially convert them into loyal customers. Now, let's take this step by step so you can easily install an email pop-up. First up, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. You need to have access to your store's backend to make these customizations. Once you're logged in, make your way over to the online store section, find this option in the main menu on the left side of your screen and click on it. Under this section, you'll see a link called Themes. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page showcasing your current theme. Now, let's customize your theme to add an email pop-up. Find the Customize button next to your current theme and click it. This will open up the theme editor where you have several options to tweak and personalize your store's design. Once in the theme editor, look for an option to Add section. This is where you can add new design elements or features to your store. Check if there's a specific section called Pop-up or Newsletter Pop-up, as some themes may already have this option built in. If your theme includes it, just click to add it. If your current theme doesn't have a built-in pop-up option, don't worry. You can still add a pop-up by heading over to the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a treasure trove of additional features and functionalities. In the search bar, type in email pop-up apps. Some popular ones include Pop-up Smart, Justuno, or Klaviyo pop-ups. Browse through the apps, read the reviews and descriptions, and choose one that suits your business needs best. Once you've made your choice, click to install the app. Follow any setup instructions provided by the app. Each app might have slightly different steps based on their unique features, but generally they are straightforward and user-friendly. After the app is installed, you'll likely have the chance to customize your pop-up's design. You can tweak the look to match your brand's aesthetics, set when the pop-up should appear to your visitors, and decide on targeting rules. Who should see this pop-up and under what conditions? Finally, once you're satisfied with how your pop-up looks and works, don't forget the crucial last step. Save and publish your changes. This ensures that everything is live on your site and your pop-up is ready to start collecting emails from your visitors. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to set up an email pop-up on your Shopify store. Implementing this feature can really help you build your email list and keep your customers engaged. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.